Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno Spark 30C smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, enter password and you can see incorrect password. This is the wrong password. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Press and hold the power button. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Again release, and now again press the volume up and power button together. And now release. So here you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key. Here press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Now here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Tecno Spark 30C smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.